Hello student, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Okay student, today we will going to revise chapter 18 Building Material and Bricks. Okay, Building Material and Bricks. Let's start. Take the correct answer. It is a tool used by a mason. Planner is the right answer, so we can take here. Fix the lights and switch an electrician is the right answer, so we can take here. The bridge is made of rubber boards, pontoon. Okay, it is used to supply heat in a gallon coil. Next, filling the blanks. Bricks are made in kilns. Clay is removed from the ground by hand or machine. An architect draws a plan of the building to be constructed. Okay. Next, tick the correct statement and cross the false statement. A painter uses roller and spray paint gun to paint a house. Yes, this is right. Bricks take about 5 hours to pass completely through kiln. This is wrong. Temporary bridge can be taken apart after use. This is right. A beam bridge is made of rubber boards. This is wrong. Next, answer the following question. Name the people who are involved in the construction of a house. Why are bricks used for making buildings? Why are raw bricks baked? Name the different types of bricks. Okay, let's see the answer. Name the people who are involved in the construction of a house. Many people such as an architect, mason, painter, carpenter, plumber, electrician, etc. help us in making our house. Okay. Yes. Next. Why are bricks used for making buildings? Bricks are long-lasting, easily available, cheap and very useful as building material. Okay. Next. Why are raw bricks baked? The bricks are baked in a huge furnace called kiln. This makes them strong and hard. Okay. Name the different types of bricks. Bricks are of many types: pontoon bridge, arched bridge, beam bridge, and suspension bridge are some of the different types of bridge. Okay. Next, why should a building or bridge be earthquake proof and waterproof? Earthquake होता है भूचाल भूकंप ना. Value based question. If you are the engineer who has to handle a project of making a flyover in your city, what kind of material would you choose for it? Okay, फिर आपको think करना है. Okay student, today we revise chapter 18 building material and bricks. Okay, you also revise. आज हमने building material और bricks के बारे में revise किया. हमने इसमें जाना कि घर कैसे बनता है, स्टेप बाय स्टेप कौन कौन लोग हमारा घर बनाने में हेल्प करते हैं, बिल्डिंग अ हाउस यूजिंग डिफरेंट मटेरियल, है ना. वन बाय वन स्टेप बाय स्टेप कैसे घर बनाते हैं, क्या क्या लगता है, कौन सा मटेरियल एक घर बनाने में लगता है. ओके. यस. ओके. नाउ स्टूडेंट, टाइम टू से बाय. बाय बाय स्टूडेंट. हैव अ नाइस डे.